Good morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about that is the part 3 of GK and GS one-liner questions. I had already discussed about part 1 and 2. Please have a look in playlist. That is, we have the ore exists in nature, the hydrated form, the metal. That is, as you can see, we should remember that bauxite is the one from which we will get in hydrated from the metal. That is, aluminum is the one which is obtained from the bauxite. So we should remember the word bauxite is the one which is the main nature, the hydrated from the metal. The inflammation of the membrane covering the brain and spinal cord is referred to as meningitis. As you can see to the right, how exactly when you have this, whatever the meningitis is the one which is bulge or protrusion takes place, that inflammation takes place in the covering of the brain, that is meningitis. You can see how exactly it is covered. Now we have the chlorofluorocarbons are not used by, here you can see the chlorofluorocarbons are not obtained from the fire extinguishers but aerosol sprays, refrigerators and air conditioning. You can remember this, what exactly has been given. We knew that aerosol spray which are used in the painting and all, spray paints, refrigerators and air conditioners, these three releases chlorofluorocarbons which are directly affects ozone layer, that directly leads to the infrared rays to earth as well as ultraviolet rays. In the fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is used. The motto of CTS, Fortius, Altius is for the Olympic Games, that is stronger, faster, and that is the meaning of those three. The practice of cultivating soil in order to produce crops is called horticulture. We should remember that there are various type of cultures in this horticulture, pisciculture. These are all occurs in this horticulture. That is the practice of cultivating soil in order to produce crops is horticulture. The role of ombudsman in a bank is to provide quality and speedy redressal of grievances of customers. This is the main role of ombudsman in the bank, who acts as a mediator and he provides the quality and speedy redressal of the grievances of customers. Next we have the apartheid refers to the racial discrimination of Nelson Mandela. As you can see here, apartheid means the racial discrimination. As you can see, the Nelson Mandela is the guy from the Africa who had initiated this and he stood against this racial discrimination, that is apartheid. Ashoka expressed regret over the bloodshed in the conquest of Kalinga in his edict referred to Rock Edict 13th. As per this Rock Edict 13th, it has been found that the Ashoka was regret over the bloodshed of the conquest of the Kalinga war. This war has taken place in the place of Odisha region. Matching, as you can see, Bhagalpur famous for the silk, Shahjanwan that is for the jute, and Satara is for the sugar, as well as Dwarka which is in Gujarat, that is famous for the cement. Tulsidas composed Ramcharitmanas during the reign of, that is Akbar. Please remember that Tulsidas has written the Ramcharitmanas during the time of Akbar. The chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India during this time, it is Kamlesh Nilkanth Vyas is the chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India. During the time of Vijayanagara rulers, is considered to be the greatest patron of literature was Krishnadev Rai was the greatest patron of literature. He had encouraged a lot. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations, and you will have the playlist with the segregated various subjects. The translation of Mahabharata and the Upanishads were translated into Persian under the patronage of Akbar and Darasiko. Please remember that whatever the translation of Mahabharata and the Upanishads were translated into the language Persian under the patronage of Akbar and Darasiko. Akbar established Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri. Please remember how exactly Ibadat Khana, where all religious peoples can go and pray respect to their religion. That is one thing. People gathering for the pray be done over there. And Buland Darwaja, where he used to have the meetings. This Buland Darwaza was built during the time of victory over the Gujarat, which is also located in Fatehpur Sikri. India strengthened the naval defenses against potential threat from the Chinese Navy at Paradip, which is located in Orissa. It strengthened its naval defenses against potential threat from the Chinese Navy at Paradip. Please remember this. These are all questions which I have compiled from the various sources. The Government of India Act, as you can see in 1919, it set up a bicameral legislature at the center. It introduced the system of direct elections in the provinces and introduced diarchy in the provinces. So this Government of India Act 1919, which set up a bicameral legislature at the center, it introduced the system of direct elections in the provinces and it introduced diarchy in the provinces. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, as you can see, I had already discussed, extremist turned spiritualist. Here, as you can see to the right side, the man whom Mahatma revered and regarded as Guru. So, who is the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was a great leader and freedom fighter during his time, and he was extremist and turned as spiritualist. Arvind Ghosh, Servants of India Society, he had formulated, that is Arvind Ghosh. Please remember, you should know all, whatever the Arya Samaj, Brahma Samaj and whatever Theosophical Society, everything you should remember everything. In the 17th century, the chief Dutch centers of trade were located at Surat, Karaikal and Patna, where the chief Dutch centers have set up. Direct tax, as you can see, corporation tax is the direct tax, non-economic factor, that is religion. The August offer of 1940 rejected by the Congress was made by Lord Linlithgow. As you can see how exactly it spells Linlithgow. The August offer of 1940 rejected by the Congress was made by, this rejection was made by Lord Linlithgow. How exactly, you can directly see how important political events between 40 to 47. Pakistan resolution, August offer during this time. It was proposed to enlarge Governor General Council to include members from political parties. War advisories committees were launched. Both League and Congress rejected the offer. As you can see, the Marquess of Linlithgow, Viceroy of India during that time of August offer. Here, at the annual session of Muslim League at Lahore, the famous resolution commonly known as Pakistan resolution was passed during the time of March 1940. So here what we have to remember is the August offer of 1940 rejected by the Congress. Whatever the August offer was made by the Congress was, that is Lord Linlithgow. So here it is. The Nehru Report 1928 was favored Dominion status and rejected the system of communal electorate. So what exactly? The Nehru Report was favored Dominion status and rejected the system of communal electorate. The development of iron and steel industries are mostly in the public sector. This development of iron and steel industries, they are all public sectors. The highest sex ratio in India, that is in the Kerala, we have the girls is to boys, we have maximum in Kerala. The largest populated state, that is Uttar Pradesh. As you can see here, the population as well as we have the production of sugarcane exists in this place. The state with the highest decadal population of India in 2016, it was Bihar, near about 28.6 decadal population, which has gone to zero in the Kerala. The principal governors in the Vijayanagara Empire were styled as Nayaks. It's not said as, that is Nayaks, the principal governors during the time of Vijayanagara Empire. Next we have the city is known as the financial capital of India. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India because there were maximum industries as well as share markets and all exist over there. The Durgapur steel plant was established in collaboration with Britain. Please remember that with the help of England, the Durgapur steel plant was established. The Sikh Guru who compiled the Guru Granth Sahib, we knew that how we have the Bhagavad Gita as the sacred book, the same book of the Sikh, that is Guru Granth Sahib, which was composed by the Guru Arjan Dev, who is the fifth Guru. We should know all the Guru from 1 to 10 exactly. The first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev, 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. So here we have Guru Arjan Dev is fifth Guru. So please remember whatever you can remember. So here we have next Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar pioneered the movement leading to the Widow Remarriage Act. So this is one thing. The Widow Remarriage Act was pioneered by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The Concentrix power project is located in Karnataka. So whatever the Concentrix power project is located in which place? That is located in Karnataka. In the field of milk production in the world, Indian occupied in the first position. We knew that whatever the milk production, it was in the world, Indian occupied the first position. The earliest evidence regarding a plough field has been found at Kalibangan. As you can see to the right how exactly it looks like. The earliest evidence regarding a ploughed field has been found at Kalibangan. The contribution to the national income of India is the highest from the agricultural sector only. We knew that India is mainly dependent on the agricultural sector. So the main contribution is from the agricultural sector itself. Next we have infant mortality rate was the most sensitive indicator of the health of a community. This is one thing we have to remember, infant mortality rate, which was the most sensitive indicator of the health of a community. Next we have the Rigvedic hymns were mainly in the reign of, that is Punjab as well as Haryana. These Rigvedic hymns were composed. The tax revenue yields the maximum to the government of India is from excise duty. Please remember, whatever tax revenue which is yields the maximum to the government of India is from the excise duty itself. The well-known inscription of Samudragupta describing his conquest is found at which place? That is found at Allahabad. So this is well-known inscription of Samudragupta describing his conquest is found at Allahabad. As you can see how exactly that pillar looks like. So these are the few questions which I compiled. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on 7667302252. You will be given a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.